Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the customer portal efficiently in BoldDesk. You'll learn how to customize the customer portal settings as well as how the built-in dashboards and reports help track every support activity and enhance customer satisfaction. Let's look at the customer portal that will be used by end users of organizations that purchased BoldDesk. Tickets created by end users will be listed here. There is an option to create a new ticket, update or close an existing ticket, view ticket details, and track its status. You can filter the ticket details based on the status with respect to the tab selection. We also have an email-based ticket system in which a customer can send an email to a support address and a ticket will be created. Customers can also respond to existing tickets via email. Under the Tickets I'm CC'd on tab, the customer can see all CC'd tickets. There is also an option to see organization-wide tickets, where all the tickets created by you and your colleagues will be displayed. This option will become available when a contact group is mapped to a customer profile, and an agent has been given permission to view all your organization's tickets. By using the export option, a customer can export a maximum of 1,000 tickets with the selected ticket fields from the selected tab to Excel or CSV format. For exporting more than 1,000 tickets, use the date filter option to split and export the tickets as multiple files. You can also customize the ticket creation forms based on the brand. If you would like to watch a detailed video on how to customize ticket forms, follow the link provided in the card above. You can also find a link in the description below. Next, let's go to the Customer Portal Settings page in the Admin Center and see how to customize and rebrand the Customer Portal using the Customer Portal Settings. Select the brand, give the portal name and its URL, or map your own custom domain, change the logo in Favicon, provide the logo linkback URL, footer links, and Google Analytics ID. Here, you can set the announcement banner message to communicate an important message to the users at the top of the page. Then, based on the brand, configure the required login process from the 3 types of login processes available. The password security policy needs to be configured if BoldDesk form login is enabled. With multi-branding, you can run a separate support portal for each brand. The satisfaction survey module in the Admin Center allows you to send survey links to customers via email to get feedback for the provided service. You can configure the text that appears during and after the survey, when to send survey emails, rating scale, and its related text. When the feedback is provided by the customer, it will appear in the ticket details page. You can monitor the current status of the support traffic by a customer and company using built-in reports and dashboards. The Support Traffic Dashboard helps you track and analyze the inflow of tickets over a period of time. You can use advanced filters to drill down data. The Customer Satisfaction Report helps you track and analyze customer satisfaction for the service provided over time. You can see the CSAT score, survey response rates, and customer sentiments based on the provided ratings. Support managers or leads can quickly add a note or tag for further review by an agent without opening tickets. If you would like to watch a detailed video on dashboards and reports, follow the link provided in the card above and in the description below. In this video, I explained how to efficiently use the customer portal, how to customize the customer portal settings as well as the satisfaction survey module. I also explained how the built-in reports and dashboards are useful to analyze the support process and improve customer satisfaction. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.